Good day, everyone, and welcome to the channel We Can Work. On this channel, I share information, resources, and platforms for making money online. If you have an online business, you're probably selling physical products, digital products, or services on a website, a SaaS platform, or an app. Imagine instead using a form to collect data from your customers and to process payments online. Today, we will look at the platform Jotform and explore the solutions they offer businesses to make more revenue online with forms. Let's get into it. Jotform believes the right form makes all the difference. They reduce the busy work that happens behind the scenes and offer powerful forms that use conditional logic to accept payments, generate reports, and automate workflows. Let's talk about some of their solutions and explore how you can implement them in your business operations. Form Builder Solution. The form is the primary solution offered on Jotform, and it caters to a large number of businesses. Jotform enables you to create your form from scratch or build one from over 10,000 templates available. You can integrate your form with apps that are crucial to your business, like Microsoft Teams, Google Calendar, Salesforce, Canva, and more. You will be able to collect online payments seamlessly, directly on the form. Here are some examples of forms you can create for your business. A new customer registration form for an e-commerce business, appointment request form you can use for a dental office or hair salon, course registration form for selling your courses online, hotel booking form for your hotel, motel, or Airbnb accommodation, restaurant order form that you can use to take orders online for delivery, medical history form that you can use in your clinic or med spa. You can build a form for any business across industries and use it to collect your customers' data and process payments online. If you'd like to get started and build your first form, please use my affiliate link in the description. Jotform allows you to create apps with no coding skills. You can create a free no code app, add forms, widgets, products, and your branding to your app. This app can be downloaded onto any smartphone, tablet, or computer. You will also be able to share your app on your social media through a link, email, or QR code. You can add push notifications to your app, allowing you to send a message to the app users instantly to communicate new product drops and discounts to the app users. There are over 800 templates to give you a head start when designing your app. This app can be used to collect donations for your nonprofit organization or sell goods and services that you offer. Your app will accept payments in multiple currencies, and you will be able to collect payments for your nonprofit or payments for your goods and services. If you currently use order forms, online petition forms, or more to collect data from your clients, you can turn that form into an app easily. Let us look at some examples of apps you can build with a Jotform app template. A scheduling app that can be used to set up appointments or pick up orders from your store. There's an events registration app you can use to organize a music concert, marathon, or bike tour in your city. School transport app communicating with parents about their children's daily commute schedule. Retail store app you can use to post your brand's inventory of clothes and take custom orders. An app for your church or nonprofit highlighting upcoming events and collecting donations, and so much more. Jotform also offers mobile apps that enable users to access the app even when offline. If you're curious about how to build an app for your company's business, use my link to sign up for an account. You can even choose a free account so that you can check out all the features available before deciding which paid account would fit your company's needs. My affiliate link gives you a special discount for paid accounts. Jotform tables are ideal for when a spreadsheet isn't enough for your team. With these tables, you can collect, organize, and manage data all in one workspace. You can create the table from scratch, start creating from a template, or import data instantly. The Jotform table acts like other worksheet, like Excel, and you can insert formulas to use them for calculations, share and collaborate with your teammates, assign roles to different team members, and give or limit access when needed, protecting the table from unauthorized edits. Here are some examples of how you can use Jotform tables for your company's operations. Create a social media calendar that has tasks and timelines for posting content on different platforms. Create a simple customer relationship management system where you can manage customer contacts, order history, order status, and more. Create a class attendance sheet with students' names, attendance histories, course progress, and more. If you have an educational institution or a nonprofit organization, Jotform offers a 50% discount. Please use my link to explore more on the platform. Let's take a little coffee break. I hope you're getting great ideas on how you can use Jotform for your company. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. You can also buy me a coffee at the link below if you're feeling generous. I appreciate all your support. Now let's get back to the business solutions offered on Jotform. Then there is the Smart PDF forms. These Smart PDF forms enable you to convert PDF to HTML web forms and have e-signature capabilities. You can create a Smart PDF by uploading an existing form, converting it to HTML web forms, which will allow the recipient to fill out their data and sign it electronically. You can then share the document by link or email, and the data in the form can be downloaded into a Jotform table. Let's take a look at how the Smart PDF can be used in business. This is a registration form for physical therapy. The patient can enter their details like name and address. It also has options for the patient to use check marks to fill out options, and they can also sign this form and send it in by email. Some other examples of Smart PDF templates are plain ticket purchase form, lease agreement for landlords and tenants, trip itinerary for travel agents, utility bill for an internet provider, construction quote for contractors, and so much more. If you have a business that could benefit from these smart PDF forms, I will break down the pricing package that will work for your company later in this video. You can also use my affiliate link to learn more. Imagine you have a business like a bakery where you collect customer orders on a form online, from social media, or your company website. Jotform Inbox lets you receive, view, and organize form submissions in one place. This inbox acts just like an email inbox, but for specific form submissions. If you have a nonprofit and you're collecting signatures and donations from the general public, Jotform Inbox allows you to receive all your submissions in one place. You will be able to use filters like endangered animals, 2025 donations to find, sort, and group submissions in the inbox. You will also have the ability to collaborate with your team members in the inbox by letting team members edit and respond to submissions. Just like an email inbox, you can reply to or forward submissions with your team. This is one of the amazing features on Jotform. To learn more about the inbox capabilities, please use my affiliate link to explore Jotform Inbox. Jotform has a lot of features that your company can integrate with forms like Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, PayPal, Dropbox, and so much more. Please check out all the integrations available on the Jotform platform. There are also other products like AI agents, workflows, boards, report builders, enterprise builder, and so much more. Please use my affiliate link to explore more of this platform. Jotform has given me an affiliate link to share with anyone who watches this video. If you sign up for a paid account with my link, you will get an extra discount and I will get a commission. So thank you for using my affiliate link. Jotform also gives an additional discount for educational institutions and charities. They get up to 50% off when signing up. This includes your company if you run a nonprofit like a church, a charity organization of any kind, a school, or if you sell online courses. Once you sign up, your account will be on a subscription basis that you can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time with a 30-day money back guarantee. Let's break down each pricing plan. Jotform has a monthly and yearly plan, but for the sake of this video, we'll look at the yearly pricing cycle. This pricing breakdown is as of October 2025, and it may change, so please use my link to check their platform for any updated pricing. If you're watching this video and you can see the benefit of using Jotform for your company, from the forms, apps, smart PDF, or any other feature, I recommend you use my affiliate link to sign up for a starter plan for free. You will have access to all the features on this platform with a starter account, but it will be limited to the following features: 5 form limits, 100 monthly subscriptions, individual user, 100 MB space, 1,000 monthly views, 500 total submissions, 100 fields per form, 10 monthly payments. HIPAA compliance features are unavailable, and your forms will keep the Jotform branding. The bronze plan is $34 per month. It's limited to 25 forms per month, 1,000 monthly submissions, one user per plan, 1 GB space, 10,000 form views, 10,000 total submissions, 250 fields per month, 100 monthly payment submissions, 100 monthly signed documents. HIPAA compliance features are unavailable on this plan, but the Jotform branding will be removed. This plan is great for property managers, online course creators, travel agents, small service providers like bakeries or other companies that have less than 100 paying clients per month. The silver plan is $39 per month and gives you 2,500 monthly submissions, one user per plan, 10 GB space, 100,000 monthly form views, 25,000 total submission storage, 500 fields per form, 250 monthly payment submissions, 250 signed documents. HIPAA compliance is not available on this plan, and there will be no Jotform branding with your forms. This plan is great for growing companies that receive fewer than 250 paying clients per month, like an event planning company, bakeries, caterers, small institutions of learning, and more. This is the gold plan, and for $99, you will get 1,000 forms per month, 10,000 monthly submissions, one user per plan, 100 GB space, a million form views, 100,000 submission storage, 1,000 fields per form, 1,000 payment submissions, 1,000 signed documents. You will have HIPAA compliance features and no Jotform branding on any of your documents. This plan is ideal for clinics, medical labs, pharmacies, medical research teams, med spas, tattoo parlors, and other facilities because it offers HIPAA compliance features. Enterprise plan is ideal for organizations that require a custom plan. It offers unlimited usage of forms, monthly submissions, signed documents, submission storage, payment submissions, and more. You will have multiple users per account for your team, dedicated support, and single sign-on for Microsoft, Google, Okta, and more. Custom branding and a domain are also provided with the enterprise plan. Jotform offers even more solutions for companies that I did not cover in this video. So please hop over to their platform to see what more they offer. I hope watching this video has offered you solutions that you can apply right away in your company. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I also have a link below that allows you to buy me a coffee if you're feeling generous. Thank you for all your support. I have a video recommendation for you to watch next. That's it for today. Until next time, bye for now.